wanting it soon and bad. Thoughts come to me and fade away. Custom dreams I've always had. I'll take it apart.
Welcome back to Maple Motors, guys. We're getting ready to do a walk around on this 1966 Chevy 2 Nova. It's got a 350 under the hood. Be doing a test drive here shortly after this video, but this video here I'm going to walk around, check everything out, try to find all the flaws that I can find. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every day. Also, check out maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information, close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. If you like the music at the beginning of the video, go follow Southgate Production. I do create all of that music. All right, we're gonna get started up here in the front. Come on down the side here. Looking for any bubbles, chips, scratches, anything you need to know about, I will let you know. There's some bubbles popping up on the edge of this door here. See if you can see that. You see these bubbles back here on the panel. And here. What we got there? Almost looks like some tint residue. May have had some tint on it at one point. Surprised the cleanup guy didn't clean that off. American Racing wheels. Decent tires on the back. Mirrors on this car have been replaced. They look nice and shiny and new. Same with the door handles. Got some bubbles popping up behind the trim right here. Back bumper's been replaced as well. We are missing weather stripping in this trunk. It's gonna need a new weather stripping kit. I'm surprised there's not more water in here. I can't believe it's not leaking that bad. There's a little bit right here. Check out the package tray on this one. It's in pretty good shape. Not all beat up, rusted up. The lid itself's in good shape. Go ahead and shut it down, see how she shuts. Solid. What's that lock? I was gonna say the lock needs adjusting. It's probably just the weather stripping not being there. Put some weather stripping on it, it'll snug it up. Trim looks nice all the way around this car. Same kind of defects on this side as the other. See the bubbles popping up in the paint here. Try to hit it at different angles so you can see that. Door lines up well. This car here has been on hold multiple times since we've got it. I don't understand people put them on hold and then they back out the next day. I think they just get excited. But usually a hold process without money is not very long, so you have to put $1,000 down on it to hold it for 2 weeks. If you're interested, that'll just give you time to get financed or transfer money to us. If this car is still available, so just check the description in the future. As long as this car does not say sold on it, it's available. All right, let's go ahead and check the interior out on this one. Door panel has a little spot in it, and some of the trim in the center is coming off, flaking. Spot right there in the middle. Go ahead and check the jam here. Weather stripping feels new on this one. Weather stripping around the door is in good shape as well. Go ahead and place your bets. A little game we play here. Do you think the horn works on this one? Interior's in pretty good shape. Let's check it out some more. These panels back here need to be redone. Headliner's sagging a little bit, but it's not ripped up. The visors are behind this seat back here. So there's a 4-speed. Showing 89,000 miles on the dash. I can't stand behind that. This is 66 model car. Starts up nice and easy. It's still cold. Choke just kicked back on. Wipers work. Blower motor's working. Blowing out some fuzz. Some fuzz in there. Let's try the horn out. Y'all ready? Horn works on this one. Wonder how many of y'all lost that bet. Motor's nice and quiet. All right, guys, I'm gonna give y'all some undercarriage shots and we'll get started on a test drive. Test drives are separate from this video, so definitely be looking for that. The last 30 seconds of this one should connect you right to it. Let's check out underneath this car. I do appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button. Definitely go over there and subscribe to my music channel if you like the music. Go to maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information and all of our inventory. We post all of our inventory on there every Monday with updated. I do appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys. Y'all have a good one.